Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some DIY toothpaste. Well, it's not really going to be DIY, we're just taking two things and mixing them together. But anyway, first you're going to need scissors, teeth whitening, activate charcoal, something to mix with, or something to mix in, a mixing tool to mix with, a lighter. This is optional if I'm going to use some hand sanitizer to sanitize my hand. Toothpaste, you're going to be using the toothpaste inside here, so keep that. And this to clean up the toothpaste and stuff. Okay, let's get started. Now first, I'm going to be putting on hand sanitizer. Oh, and the coconut oil, this is very optional. Coconut oil is optional. You don't have to use that, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just putting it out there. It's optional. If you want to use it, you can. So, I'm going to be using, and this is hand sanitizer. I just put it in that kind of container because I actually made this. And if you want to see me do that, leave in the comments. And also another thing, guys, I am so sorry I haven't uploaded it. It's been like, I don't know, 3-4 months, maybe more since I uploaded it. I'm just like, don't really know what to post, you know? I don't know what to upload, but it's just, I mean, it's all good. Don't worry about it, but I don't know. Okay. Toothpaste. You can use any kind of toothpaste you want, but what we're going to do, we're going to be using this toothpaste tube. So we're going to be using this. We're going to empty this out. It's a lot of toothpaste, but it'll fill this up because the toothpaste is what came in. Okay, now scissors, I'm going to cut the bottom off here. And what the lighter is for, I'm going to melt this back together. Should have got some napkins, but oh well. We don't need that. I can throw that away. Minty. Okay, so we're going to try to take the rest of it out. We're going to take as much out as we can. And then we're going to clean the tube. And I'm just using it like this because, I mean, you get like, you want like really whiter teeth, you could just use the teeth whitening, but put it in like a toothpaste form or like the toothpaste paste. I'm just using toothpaste and, you know, get an extra whiter or finish. So let's see. Yeah, it's a lot of toothpaste, but at least all that toothpaste will fit back into the container. And I know it looks like a mess right now, but we're just going to clean it up. Okay. So I'm going to go clean this up real quick, and I'll be back in a few seconds. Hey guys, so I am back. I have it all cleaned out. As you can see, of course there's a little bit of green toothpaste in there, but it's going to get mixed in there, so it's okay. And what I forgot to mention before about the Q-tips is like if after you're like done cleaning it, and if there's like any toothpaste left over like in the top round, you could just like clean it out if you want it really clean. But other than that, I have it all clean. A little bit. Oh, sorry. Alright, I have it all clean as you can see. Now, and I forgot to mention this before, and I forgot them, but you're going to need bobby pins because once you like melt this together with the fire, you're going to like need something to like have like you know, like to seal it to, you know what I mean. Anyway, you're going to need this so you don't burn your fingers. You're going to need help to that. That way, when you melt it, it'll seal it. then what we're going to do, we're going to take our scoop, and then you're going to take your teeth whitening, and you're going to add like a couple scoops, or as much as you want. And yes, it will be black because it is. I'm just going to add 3 right now. And then what you're going to do, you're going to mix it together carefully. It should turn black. If it doesn't, just add more. But I just want that real dark black pigment of this. And I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, see, it's still, you can see the color, and it's like turning to gray, which I'm going to add more of the teeth whitening charcoal. And see, yeah, it's like turning gray, but like a black, so it's like, and yeah, and make sure you mix it up really well. Like at first, you got to take your slow time mixing it, because if you don't, if you do it fast like this, it's gonna like have like a big dark black dust all everywhere, so you don't really want that. And you can see there, you can stop right here, but I'm going to add a little more, and I got it all over my hand, as you can see. And I did grab a few napkins too, which is good. So, we are done with the scissors and the Q-tips. Set that aside. And we are going to add more of this. I'm just going to like pour it in, because my scoop is a mess. So, and again, just add as much as you want, mix it carefully, and once it's mixed together, you just mix it really quick. Because this stuff will get everywhere really easily. And as you can see, it's getting black. And that's what we want. So after, I think I'll be done with the charcoal. The activated charcoal. I believe I'm going to be done with that, because see, this right here is already triple action toothpaste whitener, and mixed with this stuff, you should get a really good and fast result. So I'm done with this. Twist on. Okay, so I'm gonna finish mixing this, which won't take long. You get all the activated charcoal mixed in. Now what you're going to do, I'm going to clean that off, and see how nice and black that is. It almost looks like frosting or icing. So weird. Anyway, it smells good, nice and minty. So I'm going to shut that, and you're going to make sure, well, I'm going to open it up so you can see the toothpaste in there still, but make sure that's shut, and you're just going to like scoop it in. Make sure you get like at the bottom, you know, because all this will fill up this container, because all this toothpaste was in it. And if there's any mess, you go back and clean it up. It's no big deal. I'm trying not to make a mess though. And you could like, oh shoot, I got it all over myself. Oh well. And if you want, you could like, as you like put it in like this, you could squeeze it and pull out. But I'm not gonna do that, because it'll just be a more mess, because you have to open it, and you just get black all over your fingers even more. So I'm just gonna do it like this. There's a lot of toothpaste, I'll tell you that. At least I didn't get a big tube. That would be, oh shoot, that would take a while. And as you get at the top, you can just like push it down, or you just do it like this. Sorry, it's loud. I don't know how bad that my microphone took that. And then you can just like tap it down to make it go down more, and just redo it. Like, it's like refilling like a bottle of lotion or something, or like a bottle of soap. This literally takes only a few minutes. Probably about maybe 10 minutes max, if that. Because the reason why I say that, because you have to like clean the toothpaste tube, and that only takes like a few minutes to do though. Sorry, that's loud. So I'm gonna set that down. And scrape. Try and get out all I can. That's a big scoop. See, just like scrape it down. And see, I already feel it. I already feel that it's getting really full because all this toothpaste came out of the tube. Let's do that again. Alright, one more scrape. And that should do it. I could get more, but I'm already wasting enough time that it is. Alright, and just like tap that down. Okay, now when you're done, we're done with that. Alright, when you're done, you take your tube and you wipe the excess that's by the edge. You don't want to wipe too much of it. Okay, make sure you see. You don't want to wipe too much. You want like a clean area when you seal it with the fire. Good thing that's paper wax or wax paper down there. Okay. Now what you're going to do next is you're gonna take your bobby pin or whatever you're using. Now see, I got two. Because this is like wider than I thought one would be. So if I could open it, gosh darn it. Okay. And then we're gonna seal that like that. See how it's like sealed? But now we're gonna take the fire and we're just gonna do it on the edge. And be careful when you're doing this. Seal. Like I'm gonna do this for like a few seconds because I really want it to seal up. Before you touch the bottom where you're like messing with the fire, you want it to cool before you touch it because it will be hot. I hope this is working. Yeah, that's very hot. You want to be careful. But if the fire doesn't work, you can always use tape, like heavy duty tape, and that works too because I've done that before. And be careful, those bobby pins are like hot. Since that's taking forever, like I don't want this video like to be really long because of the fire. And see, it's supposed to work because I've done this before, but maybe it's like a, I guess because this is like a different tube, it's not plastic or anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use tape, and that does work too. If I can find this. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to use this tape, which is flexible clear tape. I know it's like for like a first aid kit or something, but hey, it still works. It's really sticky. So let's find the end of it. I mean, the flame will work. I guess it depends on what kind of tube you use. And yeah, that's cool. Also, you can use this. And just flip it over. Now you don't want to squeeze it too hard when you get some out of it, because then it'll just spill out the bottom. Well, it probably will, I'm not sure, but you don't want to change that. So just like double tape it or triple tape it, you know, just be sure. And if you want, you can just come down a little more with this. You'll have like a little overhang like this, but you do it on the other side too. So you take like another piece and then do it the front like that, and you'll have another overhang. Now if you have excess tape on the side like I do, you could just trim that right off with your scissors. Oh, that landed in there. Like so. And now we get to test it. So I'm going to test on this napkin here because so, oh, see, it's already black. And it comes out perfectly. And there you go. You have your own toothpaste that's actual toothpaste, but also with teeth whitening. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a like button, and if you like to see more videos, go ahead and subscribe and leave a comment if you like this video or not. If you liked it, just like it, or you could like it. If you didn't like it, then you can dislike it. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but until next time, bye.